Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing to you, it sounds crazy, but in my head I was like, I wonder if I've got the products to do it. So this is, as the title says, a full face of minis, trial size makeup. So everything is trial size basically. Not full products, not expensive products. The two things that I couldn't get away with obviously is a concealer and a setting spray. But this is sort of a trial size because you can get a bigger bottle now. So these are the two that I'm pretending, right? So, but everything else is literally minis. I just thought it was a unique idea to come. I've got some new stuff that's minis. I just thought, I keep getting a collection of minis and I use them bit by bit, but I'm only picking the new stuff out. So I was like, well, why not? I've got all these minis lying around. Why not just? So I've got the PORE FESSIONAL Pearl Primer, and this was on sale at one of my local stores that I go to, and I was like, I want to try it but I don't want to pay the full price. This way I get best of both worlds. So because it's pore filling, I'm going to use this one first, but I'm hoping it does the same job as when I use my highlights. It's such a nice day today, really is nice. Now this smells nice. If you're not into smells you're not going to like it, but I like the smells. It hasn't really given me a shimmer. I've only used the PORE Professional once and this felt exactly the same. So I'm not discounting it, but it's certainly not shimmery. So the next thing that I'm using is the Skin Illumination Natural Look and Radiance for a Beautiful Glow, and it's from number 7. Because I don't think I need mattifying anymore. I thought that other one would give me the glow that I like. So, but like I say, still mini. And this is what I wanted, that nice little round lot of minis. So my pores still look nice, so it hasn't affected the way this worked. For my face, I've got the BAREMINARL. It's a little tester. Oh, that went all the way down. I'm just going to use my Y6 and blend. This is looking orange, guys. Extremely orange. Take the cost around so you can see. And they actually match me for this as well. So you can see there, that's way too orange. So you can see it's totally the wrong shade for me. So I'm just gonna beauty blend it out because it is a nice finish and it's gone on really nicely. But you can see every brush stroke, and I mean every brush stroke. Okay, that's practically full coverage. I've got to use this concealer. I'd go without it if I didn't have bags. I'm going out with colour corrector, so that has actually taken away a little bit of coverage because under my eyes were quite covered up. So my bags are there. So I'm just going to go back in with the foundation bit. Starting to set in the fine lines of my mouth already in here. So I've got this mini Makeup Forever HD pot, so I'm going to use this under my eyes. Now I have got a Bare Mineral face powder, so I'm just going to tip this onto a clean matte. This has got a bit of colouring in, so I don't know if it's foundation or not because it doesn't say on it. So yeah, definitely it looks like even worse now I've taken that, put that powder on there. So I'm literally taking this all over my face. It's going to need setting because there's quite a bit of powder there. Yeah, I'm going to use the mist and set just to tone this powder down a little bit. So I'm going to be using this little Kevin Aucoin sculpt contour for my sculpting, obviously. Sorry, I sound really stupid sometimes. That looks red on that side, that looks totally different. So then I'm going to use the Tarte bronzer in a minute, and this is the, it's amazing how many minis you can actually find when you start looking. You see, them two colours together are perfect. And for blush, I'm going to try this Too Faced Dream Loves in the purple one. Do something with it. It's nice, but I want a bit more of a colour. So I'm going to go in with the pink one of them. So that is pink. So we've gone from one extreme to the other. They really do. I think with the purple underneath, pretty happy with that. And then for highlighter, I've got the MERCIA one. But it doesn't emphasise my skin like a lot, as long as I buff it in. Oh, I've just remembered the other thing that I haven't got is my brows, so I'm going to go off once I put this on and do my brows, and I'll come back for the rest of it. So guys, I'm back with my eyebrows done, and I'm going to be using, I know I want to try this NYX Cosmetic Metals one because I haven't tried that one. I think I'll be using the TARTE TEASE one, and I'm just taking a little one, and this is a little palette, so not quite a mini, but it is a mini palette, so that's how I got away with that one. So I'm just gonna pack it on my brush and just put it, and I forgot to prime my eye. Too late. Then I'm going to go into the next darkest colour down, and again, not pack it on so much, just put it so it's sort of in my crease. I could have gone down a brush, but never mind, I'm still happy. Then I'm going to take this little, like, it's like an angle brush, but I'm going to go into my crease again with this one dusty. I'm just going to run that in my crease. I'm now going into the Cosmetic Metal palette from NYX. I'm going to go in with a peach on the inner part of my eye, and I don't know how far I'm going to take it in, so I don't know how these are supposed to come across, but with the colours I've laid down, it looks nice, but it's not as pigmented as what I thought it would be. It's a gorgeous peach shade. And obviously, because I'm over a certain age, you are going to get wrinkles, guys. So just try and sort of pack on once you've got the base one, like I did with it. And in fact, I'm going to take this all over my lid. Which is something, I don't do that often. I'm normally there 15 colours later, but I think with this just looks really nice. And the brush that I used, I'm just going to go and run it in my green. Just run it in my crease and just lightly blend so that it's not like harsh line. And that's just blended out beautifully. So that's what I'm working with, guys. Foundation isn't holding up. It's already seeped into my glasses when I put it on, the glasses on once. So, and into my fine lines. So I'm just going to set my face again, and then I'm going to put mascara on. So nice when you do that, tell you. It's really nice. I'm really clean, but you know, once I got makeup out, this it was wiped down last night. It's dirty again. I know I've got cats, but they haven't been in there tonight. Right, now we've all heard of the new Benefit Big Bang, the Bad Girl mascara. Now, with my eyelashes, as you know, if you don't know, if you don't know and you're new to this channel, I suffer with little lashes. So, at the moment I am using the Revitalash, so I don't know what effect this is going to be or how this is going to work. But basically, I have no lashes. But we will see. To start off with, it's, everybody's probably shown you these and the wives. It's that sort of mascara. And I didn't want to buy a full one because I don't use them. I don't use mascaras. So, and I just don't. Say it is they do look spidery. And the more I try and separate them, the more product goes on. It's very wet formula. And this is my Pretty Good Eye, which has got pretty decent lashes on. And I don't see it any different than any other mascara that I put on. This one will be the one that tells us. But it'll also help me to know if the Revitalash is working. I must admit, they are conditioning my eyelashes in the case that they're really, really soft, that Revitalash. So, no, I've got no eyelashes still. So as a one coat wonder, yes, nice. Has it blown my mind? No. The only one that blew my mind is the It by Superhero from It Cosmetic. That one did something on this eye, and that's what I'm saying. That's what I want out of a mascara. Curl them is because they're supposed to curl and lift, and there's all this technology in it. If you haven't got lashes, guys, it isn't going to make a damn difference. The only one that I really can only say that I like enough to say that I'd actually go, because I did buy the Superhero one in a little ditty, that I would actually go out and get a full version. I won't, I'll actually get minis because I don't use them that often, but I would actually repurchase. So, and I think I'm just going to go in with this. Which one, guys? I'm going to go in with this one, I think. So hopefully you enjoyed this look, and if you did, give us a cheeky thumbs up, would much appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So take care, bye.